Hey guys, welcome to my channel. This will be another repair slash maintenance video on the Tahoe. I know it's been a while, but with everything going on, ordering parts has been taking longer than expected. This right here is just a simple door lock actuator that I'm installing. Let me go ahead and get you guys set up and let me get started. Alright guys, so I got off my old door lock. This is my new one. Go ahead and switch some parts over and let's get started. Alright, hey guys, finally got my new door lock switch installed. Unlocked. And locked. Awesome. Alright, now I'm not sure if I did a video about the tires that I have. I got the tires at a local tire shop for about, I think it was like $1,200 with tax, came up to just over $1,300. I got this installed. I didn't do a video, but I tried to remove the dent. The dent puller I have doesn't really work, so what I end up having to do, I probably going to have to end up replacing this entire fender, since that would probably be a cheaper route to do. And I did get the trim removed. I used a heat gun to heat up the trim, and then I use a fish tool to take it off. Then I use a eraser wheel to take off the glue part. Now this part right here, the paint, this is the only side that the paint was peeling off on. So what I'm probably going to do, I'm probably just going to sand this down and get some black paint and just paint over this side until I get the entire Tahoe repainted. Also, what I did do, but I didn't do a video on it, I replaced my window motor on the Tahoe. So I didn't do a video about it because I already replaced the back one, and as well as in the process of me replacing the the door lock actuator, I was going to get a new side view mirror, but the one that I ordered, it's manual, so I didn't install it. So I'm waiting until I get my new one in, whenever it comes in. Because of what's going on, it's taking quite some time for my parts to come in, like my door lock actuator. It took almost 3 weeks for it to come in, which I'm kind of bummed about, but that had to wait. But what can I say? And I do have the headliner. I'm probably going to do a video on replacing that one. I'm not going with gray, I'm actually going with black. Let me show you. This is my headliner right here. I'm going with black, I'm not going with gray. And like I said, I'm going to do a video on getting that installed. And as always, thank you for watching this video, and as always, don't forget to like this video and also subscribe to my channel. I'll catch you on the next video.